my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be filming a unboxing, and it's a new unboxing for me. I'm going to be unboxing my first Birchbox, and this Birchbox subscription, I received a 6-month Birchbox subscription, and it was actually from YouTube. So if you want to see how all that went down and what else YouTube sent me in a package they sent me a few weeks ago, then I'll put this video in the iCard. I think it's on the side. You guys know the drill, but that way you can see what else YouTube sent me and why they sent me this Birchbox subscription. But spoiler alert, there really isn't any why behind it. The team at YouTube has just seen my videos and they wanted to send me a package of YouTube merch, and also they gifted me a 6-month subscription to Birchbox. So I figured I would unbox it for you guys. YouTube is not requiring me to make these videos, but they know I'm an influencer, so why would I not film an unboxing? So they know I love my unboxing. How many times have I said package, YouTube, or unboxing in this video? My goodness. So I have heard of Birchbox. It used to be $10 like Ipsy, but now it is $13 a month. However, if you get the 6-month subscription like YouTube gifted me, it is $15 per month. And a lot of you guys have asked me to do like Ipsy versus Birchbox, and to be honest, I really just don't think that it's a fair subscription battle per se, because I watched many Birchbox unboxings and I feel like Ipsy and Birchbox are two very different subscriptions. Even though they're both beauty subscriptions, I feel like Ipsy includes more like bigger size items and like brands from all over the map, like drugstore and high-end, as well as smaller brands. You do receive some full-size items in Ipsy occasionally, where Birchbox is typically much smaller products and typically only samples, not really deluxe size samples like Ipsy. So they also Birchbox also pretty much only includes higher end brands, not really drugstore. And over the years, just comparing Ipsy and Birchbox, I just don't feel like it's a fair comparison. I feel like they're two different subscriptions with two very different avenues, and I just always leaned more towards Ipsy. I've never tried Birchbox, so I know some people are gonna say like, how can you lean more towards Ipsy when you've never even tried Birchbox? Like I said, I've watched many other Birchbox unboxings and I know what kind of products are featured in Birchbox. So that's why I have never spent the money to add an additional subscription box to my collection, because for me personally, based on what I've seen, this subscription doesn't seem worth it to me based on like what I already get in Ipsy. I just feel like Ipsy is a better value. Because the subscription was gifted, I could not be more excited because it is another subscription, and you guys know I love my unboxings. Who knows, I might fall in love with Birchbox after the 6 months and I might want to subscribe to them, or I might be like, it was fun, but I don't think I would spend my own money to get the box. So we'll see. Like I said, they gifted me a 6-month subscription, so at the end of the 6 months I'll give you guys my thoughts on whether I like it or not. But I am gonna go easy on this Birchbox just because, like, I don't know, it's just very different than what I'm used to. So let's go ahead and get into it. I think I mentioned for the 6 months it is $15 and then the yearly is $13. I do like that it's like higher end brands though. That's super fun. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, this is like the little card that it comes with. Sorry, the shadows are really weird because I'm filming this later in the evening, so it's like in the night. But this is the list of things that I'm gonna get, but I don't want to look at these. But this is like how much it would be full size, which I think is interesting because it's like you're not receiving the full size, so you want to know like the value that you're actually getting, so like what the cost it would be sample size, but that's okay. I will also put a link down below. When you sign up for Birchbox, you get a link to where if people sign up using your link, you get points, and then you could use the points to redeem like full-size products. So I'll link my personal Birchbox link down in the description in case you're interested in subscribing to Birchbox with me. I think that'd be super fun and I could use some points. I'll link that down below. And then this just tells like what has like a little skincare, not quiz, but just different kinds of skincare products and like what they do. and like how to use it or why to use it. I'm not really gonna read all this. It's a lot, but it's not really interesting if you're already like pretty familiar with makeup and skincare. But if you want to read this, I will go ahead and you can hold this for a second and you can pause it to read it. But yes, here it is. Now getting into the goodies. Ooh, like I said, this box feels really light, so I'm like nervous. I have not seen what's inside this box yet. So when I open it up, this is what I see. I do love how small the boxes are. It's so cute. I also feel like these can make good boxes for Christmas. And I'm not really a box reusing kind of person, and I know that's bad, but like this is literally the perfect kind of box. So, I take that back. Maybe I did get a full-size product, because I said you don't receive any full-size products in Birchbox, but clearly I don't know what I'm talking about because this looks full-size. So I got a lipstick by Lipstick Queen, I think, yes. And this is the Method in the Madness lipstick in the shade Maniac Mauve. Let me see like the fluid ounce. So this is 0.2 or 0.12 fluid ounce. So I'll look and see if this is full size. I'll look it up online to see if it is. I have heard of this brand, but I've never tried. Okay, yeah, this is definitely not full size. I thought it was because the box made it look like it, but that's okay. But this color is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. The color doesn't really look like it does in person on camera. So I'll see if I can maybe find a photo with like a better swatch because the color just doesn't look the same on camera. But again, that is gorgeous. I know I've talked about this like in Ipsy too, but I do like smaller lipsticks because lipsticks are my favorite makeup product. It does take a while for me to use up lipsticks. So I do like that they're smaller just because that will take less time to use up. So I do love the shade that I received, and I have heard of Lipstick Queen, but I've never tried it again because it's a more higher end brand. I'll say that a lot probably in this Birchbox or in these Birchbox unboxings, so I'll try to refrain from saying that so much, but I do love that they include higher end brands because I typically don't buy higher end brand makeup unless, wow, my voice. I typically don't buy higher end makeup unless it's like a product that I'm like dying to try or like I have to try it. A great first product. Need a reason to start your holiday shopping early? Use the code to get $5 off any Birchbox gift subscription for them and a free extra beauty or grooming Birchbox for you. I'm not going to share this code because it's just for Birchbox subscribers. I'm not fancy enough for this box. Next product I received is by Marcel, and this is a waterproof eyeliner in the shade Espresso, and you guys know how I feel about eyeliners, so I'm pretty sure I also specified in the quiz that like I don't like eyeliner, so I'm surprised that I received it. I'll just give it to a friend or something. Ooh, we have a MAC product. Oh, this is a mascara. This is super tiny. This is the MAC Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. This is so tiny, but like perfect for travel. Here's what the little mascara wand looks like. I really like this. And this is MAC. Like I said, again, don't buy high-end brands like this. I have a couple MAC lipsticks only because I was like watching one of the beauty bloggers that I watch, and she was wearing this MAC lipstick, and she was like, I'll link it down below which one I'm wearing. And like it was one that I have to have or had to have. So I only have a couple MAC lipsticks, but I don't have any other products by MAC, so this is exciting. Okay, so next we have a product by Kawkawlin. And this is the brow liner, Shape and Define in the shade Medium. It's a water-resistant liquid brow color. This is so interesting. Well, here's what the brow product looks like. I've never used this kind of product for my brows before, so I'm definitely going to have to watch a tutorial on how to use this. I think it would be really good. I've heard of Kawkawlin, and I think I have a couple products from them from like Ipsy or maybe Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, but I have not tried this. But it looks like it could be really nice. And it looks like it'd be dark enough for my brows. I'm excited about this. Wow, I thought I'd be more disappointed in my Birchbox now that I wanted to be, but I don't know. Based on like other people's unboxings. So the next thing that I received is the original makeup eraser sample. Makeup towel, I guess we'll call it. That like everybody uses now. Well, I don't, so not everybody. Supposedly you're only supposed to have to use water. And they gave me like one little one of these. Wet portion of makeup eraser, drenched, wet, use warm water. Gently erase your makeup in a circular motion. Flip eraser on long nap side to exfoliate. Easiest, most cost-effective makeup remover in the world. Wow, that's like some crazy promises there, but I am excited to try this. I've never tried this before either. I've obviously heard of it, but I don't know. I'm just loyal to my simple skincare, makeup, or facial cleansing wipes, and I know not good for the environment, but maybe I will like this, and maybe I'll take off all my makeup, so I'll have to keep you guys updated. Only one, so it's like a one-use type of thing, so I'm excited. So lastly, I received a product from Lancome, and I have no idea what this is. It's a Perfecting Primer, and it's supposed to have a smoothing effect, and it's oil-free. Wow, this is nice. Like, you get some nice stuff in your Birchbox. I'm impressed. I am thoroughly impressed. So that's everything that I received in my Birchbox for October. Like I said, I am thoroughly impressed. I did not think I would like it, to be honest, as much as I do, because again, I watched other unboxings of Birchbox and I've just never been wowed like I have with Ipsy. I am thoroughly impressed, and I think another reason why I'm so excited is because I didn't have to pay for it. It's only the first month of Birchbox, and we have a lot more to go, 5 more boxes after this for my 6-month subscription. I can't thank YouTube enough for gifting me this box. They did not require me to make this video, but of course, huge thank you again to YouTube for gifting me the subscription. I absolutely love it. Again, for like the millionth time, I'm much more pleasantly surprised than I thought I would be, so I already can't wait until the November box, and I already don't want my subscription. And even though this is just my first box, I will put my Birchbox link down below again, because I think you guys should subscribe to Birchbox. I might end up subscribing to Birchbox at the end of this. Oh my goodness, YouTube, what have you done? I don't need another subscription box. But this one was nice. Alright, you guys, I'll have the links to everything down below. Thank you so much again for watching, and thank you to YouTube for gifting me this 6-month subscription. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Wow, I love Birchbox. This was amazing. Alright, bye guys.